We are an independent mobile ad network. We started in India, but that's a long story. We started in India about 5.5 years ago, but we're independent now and we're global. So, video is an interesting format. Video is exploding, as you know, on mobile and tablets. Both video is exploding radically. So, at InMobi, we are evaluating various different strategies at this point in time as to what makes sense for a ad network play on mobile as far as video is concerned. As you know, video advertising is all about original content. UGC is not something which is preferred a lot by the brand advertisers, and there's a whole lot of UGC that actually comes to mobile ad networks. So we're clearly looking at a play where we're evaluating if there is any tech value addition that we can do to the owned and operated content that comes to us, so that we can make sense out of that and enhance the value. Otherwise, if you're just going to take the content from somebody and resell it to the agencies as a part of the package, we're not really maximizing the value in that case. Mobile is a phenomena that is very east to west kind of phenomena. There are about 3 billion mobile devices in Asia, and there's a lot of innovation which is happening on how the mobile is growing, and then followed by that it's Africa, and then Europe, and then US, of course. So clearly what InMobi is bringing is a significant innovation in terms of mobile, whether it is in terms of the ad formats which are supported, whether in terms of how do you start thinking natively about these screens. Because this is just not a screen, it's an interaction mechanism. You've never been able to in the past touch your brand, you've never been able to shake your brand, you've never been able to tilt your brand and see it at the same point in time. So InMobi actually brings a significant innovation in terms of the creativity and in terms of the creative content that can get rendered onto these devices. The second innovation that we bring is an inherent understanding that brands can have about how their users are interacting with their own mobile assets. Almost every brand worth their name has created an app or a mobile property, but they've sort of left it out in the open. They have no idea how to market it. They have no idea how to basically get the user insights, which can then further be plugged into their mobile campaign. Like, for example, we have our analytics into 50 of the different apps that L'Oreal has created worldwide. And L'Oreal has realized that a lot of people, before walking into a store, are actually making a decision about which lipstick they're going to try and which different makeup they're going to try before they actually even enter a shop to ask for that that merchandise. Now that is a kind of insight that we want to bring to the brand so that they effectively then start marketing. So three key insights. A, learn from the global exposure that InMobi has. Two is creativity and how you can unleash your creativity on the devices which are no longer just the screen. And the third is how do you get the user understanding in a federated media device, which is a far more a personal device than any other media previously. We're 5.5 years old now. We're about 800 people in terms of the size of the organization, of which about 500 plus people are in technology and product development. We're live in pretty much every country in the world. Our own personal presence, our own official presence in terms of the offices in about 30 different countries right now. We, in the last year alone, has worked with all 80 of top Ad Age 100 customers worldwide, and have executed about 800 to 900 mobile advertising campaigns worldwide across different countries. So that's the level of footprint that we are bringing. So if it's mobile, InMobi has its footprint in that execution in one way or the other.